Your drill press is a great tool for, well, drilling holes, but did you know that it can be a planer as well? With the Stewart McDonald Safety Planer. Now your shop probably already has a portable planer in it, and that's great for furniture work. But for small pieces of wood, like this, you can't put that through a conventional planer. It's not safe, it'll fracture and get ruined. Well, this planer is just the ticket for dealing with those small pieces. So if you're building a model, doing inlay work, working on an instrument, making scales for knife handles, this is a great tool to have. The Stewart McDonald Safety Planer consists of an aluminum disc with 3 carbide inserts, and those inserts are buried up in that disc, and that limits the amount of cut that it can take, and that makes it a very safe and easy to use tool. So let me demonstrate for you. I have a fence set up to limit the amount of cut, and I'm going to plane first off this piece of wingay, and I'm going to cut one side first, flip it, and then I'm going to cut the other. And then I'll demonstrate cutting a small piece of wood, this piece of padauk. I've used some double-sided tape, and I have it adhered to this carrier board, and that makes it easy to control and also safe. So let's go ahead and plane these pieces of wood, and I'll show you how this works. I have the drill press set at 3,000 RPM. I'm also going to use this small push block as a safety aid. For a small piece of wood like this, a carrier board and some double-sided tape makes for a good combination of being able to manage the workpiece and keep my fingers away from the safety planer. So there you go. Using our drill press and the Stewart McDonald Safety Planer, we've safely and accurately planed small pieces of wood which we couldn't have done any other way.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. You can also click the bell to get notifications every time we post a video. Feel free to comment below and we'll get to as many as we can. Also, we're including links to the sources, plans, everything you need to know in the description below. Thanks!